Alright guys, so here we are in the junkyard. We're gonna be pulling the cylinder head off of this puppy, and we found this thing here in California. It has the same cylinder head and everything, and the oil looks good. It doesn't have any stuff in it, so I'm gonna be pulling this thing off and using it on our car. Hopefully when we pull it off, it doesn't have any hopefully it doesn't have any cracks and all that. Golf or what?
Yeah, she said she might have lost the title. Give me a bill of sale.
Yeah.
That would be too much of a headache.
Yeah, man. Ooh, yeah. You closed the door, right? Locked it?
I don't think I locked it.
Ay, chukcha. You gotta lock the puppy. Didn't get a chance to fix my central locking system yet. Oh, look at that beauty. We're here in AutoZone, guys. Came to grab some parts for the Beamer. Oh yeah, beautiful day. Not too hot, not too cold. Just worry about those fuel filter.
Yes, I have a brake switch. What's that name? For a Travis screen. I need this is the vehicle. What kind of vehicle is it for? 1994.
Is it just
No, they're not. Let me do something else. Let me pull the vehicle. BMW.
How did we get today? Let me see. I don't even know. That should be the right fuel filter and stuff in the bag.
If not, I'll come back and it's cool. He gave me $7 off, bro.
Yeah. Ah, my beautiful car that I need to wash. My beautiful puppy. My 300 SD. My favorite car. My 126. Alright. Back to Walmart. What'd you say?
BMW recommends 20W50.
1030 is fine, 530 is fine. You know, we'll find something. Oh, sorry.
1030 in the winter, 1540 or 2050 in the summer.
Maybe we should just put vegetable oil in there.
And this says 0W40. That's funny, the next.
So we're gonna get this oil conventional because you're gonna change oil in a week, so we don't need a fancy one. This is gonna work. And 1030 is actually good. The thicker the oil, it's in California. It's California too, so it's not gonna like be like honey like in winter, you know. So you can use thicker oil, which is actually a lot better than, you know, because 020 is like water, bro. It's like really bad. This is 1030. It's a good oil. So we'll grab 2 of those. Do we need 2 of those?
No, we'll get one of these for the first oil, and then when I go to change it, I'll put better oil in it. So maybe.
So how much oil does it take? I forgot.
5, I think.
5 only?
Yeah.
What if we're a little low? We get a little low on oil. Maybe try to double check, because this is exactly 5. So damn it. I need to try to get something here. Or you know what we can do? We can get one like this, and then the next one we can get when you change the oil next time.
5.7 quarts. It's almost 6
Oh, so it's like 6 quarts. So what I recommend doing is to get another one. Yeah, get another one like.
Yeah, dude. If I get that Volkswagen,
Yeah, that's a really sweet deal.
that'd be cool. That would just drive it right to base.
Yeah.
I don't care. Scary dog. I wouldn't care though. I'll still pet him.
Ow, ow, ow.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
So much stuff we got today.
Hey, puppy. I have a Ford Focus. I was like, that's cool. Wait here. This guy gave a shit.
Oh, we're in the Junkyard, guys, now again.
When Zulu told me he had a Ford Focus, I almost said, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Right on, dude. I guess it's the car gay guy's gonna drive.
Yeah. Oh, look at this Mustang.
Ford.
Let me look at this car really quick. Oh, look, that's a Mercedes wheel. That is one. Maybe we should get another set. Man. Oh, that's a V8. Oh, what a beauty. Oh, I'm sad to see all these cars here. Tachka! There's the Beamer. Let's see if they took anything else out. Oh, the only thing is we're gonna need to put the vice grips on that shit.
No, we don't need to.
Alright, hold it. Come on, bro. This gotta go over there, closer to Bmw. Oh, yeah. Damn. Last time it was so hot, today it's like raining. What the heck? You know what I'm saying? It's no good. Either way, we gotta see what we need. Alright, lower it. Release.
It's all right here.
No, we don't need that, do we? No.
Yeah.
That's the idle control valve right there.
Yeah.
Guys, this is nuts. It's raining here in California. This is crazy. And I'm in the junkyard. I think I found a couple of Benzes. Actually, there's a lot of Benzes here. And there's the E36 small version here. Let's see what's over here. It's a 4-cylinder. So we came here because we're missing a couple parts for the Beamer. Man, I wonder if this steering wheel is gonna work on that E36. That's okay though, it's not important now. 318. Oh man, it's raining so hard, guys. It's the W202. This baby is here too. Oh man, old school German engineering, the best thing ever. I'm just wondering, maybe I should grab that steering wheel for my Mercedes, for my W126. I don't know. You guys think it's gonna work? think it will work. The only thing is you can't turn it. There's screws over here you have to take out. We'll see. Yeah, there's a lot of cars here. It's old school Volkswagen Cabrio. This is the Benz. So it stopped raining, guys. This is what we got so far. Floor mats for the Benz, tail lights for the E36, idle control valve, a couple of hoses, got the valve cover, an extra one. This one is a lot cleaner, and a few coils, coil packs, and then just a bunch of hardware too.